cabbage with pineapple. This combination is perfect, guys. We'll use half a cabbage and we're going to slice it this way. I'm going to make just half a cabbage because I don't want a lot of this, okay? Because you will see how it yields. Let's put it all in a bowl, all right? And then add 1 grated carrot, 1 chopped tomato, 1 purple onion, half red pepper, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. The mayonnaise, guys, is the brand you prefer, okay? 200 grams of heavy cream, and let's mix everything very well. Here we already have an amazing salad, right? Don't forget to put the salt and oregano. Also some oil. Guys, just like this is already amazing. Seriously, super delicious, this salad, that it's giving me water in my mouth. I put a little bit of vinegar, but it's totally optional. And now it's time to put the pineapple. As you can see, guys, I already peeled it off, and now we are going to slice it this way, as you can see on the video. Don't forget to take out the middle of the pineapple, okay? Let's slice it this way, and if you already know this recipe, if you have already made it or already eaten it, you know what I'm talking about, guys. This recipe is to control yourself, to not eat everything by yourself, right? And I'm not even exaggerating. And it's super healthy. The mayonnaise, of course, is a little bit fatter, but you can use the light one. And then, guys, let's put the pineapple inside of the salad and mix it all. And seriously, guys, I have no words to describe this amazing salad. The pineapple is bring the amazing taste that it needs. And guys, just make it at your house, and then you come and tell me what you thought about it. I'm pretty sure that you will be addicted to this salad. And being addicted to a salad, there's no problem, right, guys? Make it there that it's super juicy. It's not dry at all. If you want to add a little bit of lemon, but remember that you have the sweetness from the pineapple. And guys, super delicious. You can also add some other ingredients that you like, all right? Like raisins or shoestring potatoes. It's gonna be amazing. Use your creativity and use your favorite ingredients. Then come and tell me what you thought about it. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe. And if you watch until here, that means you liked it. So don't forget to rate us down here.